Made my first cuts for the Satoshi Grill Mod. Got the center all cut out. It does still look pretty ugly right now, but I've got to clean it up still. I just wanted to get that out without damaging any of this around here where it clips on and such. So, yeah. Super excited to get that going. Should be a fun time. Got it all sanded down and washed. Ready for paint. Just gonna let it dry here so that way when I start putting paint and primer on it, it doesn't go all haywire. And a big shout out to Charles for the wire mesh. Gonna get this cutting into the grill probably before I paint it, so that way I can get this all painted black at the same time and not have to worry about stretching it or doing anything with it. It'll just all be black at the same time. So probably once that grill dries, we'll go ahead and start working on getting some mesh in there. So an update for the grill. I went ahead and cut out a large square that fit around the grill first and laid it on here. Took a Sharpie and just kind of roughly cut out the shape I wanted. Cut it a little wider than that so that I could kind of fit it up around the edges on here, and then I've just come along and zip tied it in several spots so that it doesn't want to move or shake or wiggle or vibrate or anything like that. I might run a couple more right into here, just since I have those 3 up top. But yeah, so far it looks real good. Go ahead and flip it over here. So next is paint. I'm gonna go ahead and paint all of this, and then I do have a new front emblem coming. That will come hopefully in a week or so, but we'll go ahead and get this finished up and ready for that emblem in the meantime. Couple layers of primer down. Now we wait for this to dry, give it another quick little sand down, and then paint. I do not pretend to be a painter, but it's already got pollen on it. Would you look at that? Oh, well, you can't see it. Good. Doesn't show up on camera. But there is the new grill. The Satoshi Grill Mod. I think it turned out pretty good despite my poor painting skills. Especially since you can't really tell that it's ugly until you get up close to it. And luckily no one's getting up that close to it. I did not do any of the Bondo work. Like up here in the corners. I don't know. It won't really show up on camera. But like right here, there's a little gap. There it is on camera. Yeah, like I didn't bother to Bondo that or fill this in, this little ledge right here. I did leave these lower tabs on just so that the grill stays secure in place. I think it looks fine, especially once you step back. You really don't notice those tabs down there in the corners. So now all we wait on is the front emblem. And eventually a limited paint matched fat lip bumper. But now the front matches the back. It's all the same black spray can. So yeah, I did screw up here. I didn't realize that Goo Gone was going to make this run and get sticky again. So when I take this off to put the Forerunner emblem back on, I'm probably just going to hit it with one more spray up top, especially because I've got a couple of bubbles up here. So I will get that all redone so that it looks nicer. But otherwise, I think it's coming along pretty good.